Tuesday's opinion from the U.S. Supreme Court against a Colorado ban on conversion therapy for minors, which seeks to change a person's sexual orientation or gender identity, sent shockwaves around the country. Those could soon reach Michigan and its own ban on conversion therapy for minors that took effect 2 years ago. So what did the Supreme Court decide, and what happens to Michigan's ban?
I think a lot of the immediate headlines really got it wrong or gave a misinterpretation.
Let's verify. First, let's start with the Supreme Court's decision from this week. In its 8-1 decision, the majority did not do away with the Colorado ban altogether.
What the Supreme Court said is that the lower courts were wrong to not apply very strict scrutiny to Colorado's ban.
So what they did do, because they found that free speech concerns came into play, was send it back to the lower court and say that a very strict level of scrutiny needs to be applied to the case.
They said, if we limit a certain speech viewpoint over another, that's viewpoint discrimination. And so Colorado, the 10th Circuit Court here, needs to decide whether Colorado's law is viewpoint discrimination.
Here in Michigan, the 6th Circuit Court of Appeals temporarily blocked the enforcement of the state's ban back in December, ruling that the law does restrict speech in the case of the plaintiffs and that the law might be unconstitutional. The definition of conversion therapy under Michigan law uses a lot of similar language to the definition in Colorado. One judge's dissent in the 6th Circuit calling the Colorado ban materially indistinguishable from Michigan's law and saying that the Colorado case would control the outcome in Michigan's case.
Michigan would have to show that the law as it's currently constituted is the best and only way, right? So that's what narrowly tailored means, to achieve something compelling, which means like saving life.
What we can verify is that the Colorado case is not yet over. How the courts may apply it to Michigan's ban is in their hands. With your Verify, I'm Josh Albertus.